Ladies and gentlemen, tech enthusiasts and coding professionals, buckle up because the space industry just got a whole lot more interesting. SpaceX, the pioneering space exploration company founded by Elon Musk, has made a groundbreaking move by announcing its acquisition of the AI coding platform Cursor for a staggering $60 billion. This deal is sending shockwaves through the tech world, and we're here to break it down for you. Cursor, a relatively new player in the AI coding scene, has been gaining traction with its innovative approach to code completion and collaboration tools. By harnessing the power of AI, Cursor enables developers to write code up to 5 times faster and reduces errors by 90%. This acquisition is a game-changer for SpaceX, as it will give them access to Cursor's cutting-edge technology and a vast pool of talented developers. But why is this acquisition so significant? For one, it marks a major milestone in the convergence of space exploration